morning and welcome back to San Francisco. So today is day 2 of San Francisco. It's our final day here. We're actually flying home this evening, so we haven't got too long to explore the city, but there's a couple of places that are on my Instagram bucket list, including the Mr. Holmes Bakehouse, which is this gorgeous place that does, I think it's cronuts or cruffins, so donut muffins, and apparently you can only buy 2 per person. They're that exclusive. And then we're also going to try and get to Battery Spencer, which is the lookout point for the Golden Gate Bridge. I really want to get one of those iconic pictures of Golden Gate Bridge, so that's the plan for today. If we have any more time, then I'm sure we'll do more, but until then, we've got the Uber on the way. We're going to head to Mr. Holmes Bakehouse first. And I also want to try and do the Pink Ladies, which is their iconic, I think it's like 5 or 6 houses in a row, and they're very, very pretty. They're pastel colours, and I'm sure you've seen them in plenty of movies and TV shows. So yeah, my voice isn't quite right again today, so sorry I sound like a croaky frog, but that's the plan, and we're heading off right now. So our first stop in San Francisco is Mr. Holmes Bakehouse, where they do the cronuts. I think I called them cruffins earlier, don't think that's the thing. It is cronuts, and we've got ourselves a pink lemonade cronut. I can't eat it, it's not vegan, but I did take a little Instagram with it. It looks incredible. David is going to taste test it, but I thought I'd just quickly show you around because it's a really, really cool little place. It's quite hidden away, so I feel like unless you spotted it on Instagram or on the internet, you probably wouldn't know about it, but it is really, really cute. Actually, scrap that. David's just gone in. It is a cruffin. So it's a pink lemonade cruffin, and it looks incredible. I keep getting confused. It is a cross between a croissant and a muffin. It looks amazing. It's like a tall cake with lots of pastry layers, lots of sugar on the outside. So I think we're gonna have a little taste test of the cruffin, or David is anyway, and then we're going to head to Battery Spencer to take the iconic picture of the Golden Gate Bridge. So it's quite a whistle-stop tour of San Francisco, but we wanted to...
Holmes Bakehouse. Ready?
Is it nice? No?
I mean, there's a definite mix of flavours there that I don't think.
Is it croissanty and muffiny?
It tastes like sorbet.
Yeah.
Very sweet. I don't even know what flavour that is.
Pink lemonade, it said in there.
It tastes more like. Yeah, I guess so, yeah. Pink lemonade, and it tastes like sorbet. And then just a croissant, however you say the word, wrapped around it. I mean, I don't think the flavour's going, if I'm totally honest. So it looks pretty.
So we did actually pop to see the Golden Gate Bridge at a Vista Point yesterday when we were part of our Trek America tour, the last day, but we thought we'd come back when I looked a bit more jazzy because I had been camping, hadn't washed my hair and felt a bit scruffy. So we've come to Battery Spencer, which is this amazing view here. We've got the Golden Gate Bridge behind us, you can see the whole thing, and it just looks absolutely beautiful. So we're going to spend a bit of time up here. It's actually really nice and sunny. It's not windy for once. It was really quite windy and cold yesterday. So just going to enjoy this beautiful view, and then I think we're probably going to head to the airport or grab something to eat, aren't we?
We are indeed.
But we've had a short but sweet time in San Francisco. I think we'd definitely like to come back and explore Alcatraz, because unfortunately we were a bit silly and didn't book. I didn't actually think that you needed to book, but you do have to pre-book your tours, and they were all booked up for today, even when we looked a couple of days ago. So we're gonna have to head back here to San Francisco at some point, because we do want to see Alcatraz, and there's a couple of other places that we wanted to see, but we've had a nice time, haven't we, David?
It's been amazing.
Yeah.
Met some amazing people, had an amazing time.
Definitely. It feels weird to not be with all of the Trek America group and Rick, our tour leader, because we've kind of become a really tight-knit little group. So yeah, it's going to be weird to return home, won't it?
Yeah.
But yeah, we're just going to spend a little bit more time up here and then head to the airport. Before we have to actually be at the airport, so we've found a little Mexican restaurant, Gracias Madre, and it's on 19th Street, I think, and it does all vegan Mexican food. So I'm so excited. I'm going to order a massive thing of guacamole, because clearly I haven't had enough guacamole this trip, and some other incredible vegan delights as well. They do, instead of sour cream, they do cashew cream, they do coconut bacon, they do temper chorizo as well. So it's very exciting that I can eat everything and I don't have to ask for a million amendments to be made. Sorry about my hair as well, I think it got really windswept at the Golden Gate Bridge lookout point. But yeah, so I'm just going to order all the food. I'm very excited for this, and then we are on our way home. Unveil it. Oh, look how good they look. So we've ordered two very exciting looking desserts. We've got the apple and pear cobbler and then a big chocolate cake, and these are all vegan, so if you fancy a massive Mexican feast, I would definitely recommend Gracias Madre. So we're now at the airport, which means that our trip has officially come to an end. We are kind of looking forward to going home because it's nice to get back into a normal routine, but we're going to miss exploring and being somewhere new every day, and being with the group as well that we met on Trek America. So it's kind of bittersweet, but we've had the most amazing trip. I would wholeheartedly recommend Trek America to anyone who's considering exploring the US. It's such a great way to do it, so affordable. I know we have done a couple of our own independent trips in the US before, and it's been a lot more expensive and a lot more stressful as well, because you are having to navigate American roads, which you're probably unfamiliar with. Trek America just takes the hassle away from that and does it all for you. You've got an amazing, knowledgeable guide who makes the whole trip fun, brings everything together, builds your itinerary. So it's a really great way to explore, and obviously you meet a whole host of new people who eventually become your friends, and it's a great bonding experience. I just feel like I have no negative things to say about it, and it will be very sad to be going home and not be exploring new states, but yes, I'm sure there'll be another Trek America tour soon, because we're already, as a group, planning where we want to go next. So stay tuned for that. But thank you so much for watching the vlogs. Hopefully you've really enjoyed coming along with me. Let me know if you're planning your own Trek America tour, or whether there's a state or a city in America or a national park that you really wanted to go to, want to go to. We actually visited 3 different cities and 2 national parks and 3 states. During our 7-day trip, we actually visited 3 different cities, 2 national parks, and 3 different states. So we did an awful lot. We packed in an awful lot into those 7 days, and it was such a cool adventure. So I'm going to stop waffling now. I'm going to sign off here. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and if you want me to do a Trek America question and answer video, or perhaps you want to know some more about the trip, let me know. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again very, very soon.